Almond butter, Hershey's cocoa, coconut. But does it taste like an Almond Joy? Well, after making the no-bake peanut butter and oatmeal cookies, I thought, boy, I bet this would be good with almond butter and coconut, and it would kind of be like an Almond Joy. So let me show you how I made these. Okay, now I went ahead and lined 2 large baking sheets with wax paper, and I've got my cookie scoop setting out. And the first thing I want to do is go ahead and melt a stick of butter, or half a cup. I thought about using coconut oil to really give it that extra coconut punch, but coconut, you know, if you use coconut oil much, you know if it's cold how hard it gets, and then if it's hot how runny it gets. So I just thought butter was going to be the safest way to go. And then I'm going to add my cocoa powder and I'm going to go ahead and add my sugar. And I'm going to kind of get this butter melting a little bit. And I'm using coconut cream. Now I could have used coconut milk, but this is what they had at the store, so that's what I'm using. Now I'm going to keep this on medium to medium-high heat till the butter's melted, everything comes to a boil, and then let it boil for 60 seconds without stirring. Okay. My mixture has come to a full rolling boil. It's boiled for 60 seconds. Now I'm taking it off the heat. Now I'm immediately going to add my almond butter. Now in the other no-bake recipe we had peanut butter, but I'm using almond butter since I want this to be an Almond Joy. And plus I don't want to put the almonds in there. I just want to use the almond butter instead. But you can certainly add almonds if you want to. I'm going to stir that in, get it good and mixed in. Now I'm going to add a teaspoon of vanilla. Now if you wanted to use almond oil, you could certainly use almond oil. I don't keep almond oil around, so I didn't want to go out and buy a bottle of almond oil just for this recipe. And get that stirred in. And now I'm ready to stir in my 3 cups of coconut. And now I'm ready to put it on my cookie sheets. Now, if you don't have one of these little 2 tablespoon cookie scoops, you can always just use some tablespoons. Put them on there. Okay, I've got these all dropped down onto my cookie sheets. I need to let these set at least 20 minutes, but I'm going to put these in the refrigerator, and that's going to make them just set up that much quicker. Well, I took them out of the ice box and gave them a taste test. They don't taste exactly like Almond Joy, but they sure are good. Okay, that's a half a cup of butter, which is 1 stick, 1 3/4 cup of sugar, a 1/3 cup of cocoa powder, a half a cup of cream of coconut or coconut milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla or almond extract, 2/3 cup of almond butter, 3 cups of shredded coconut. Homemade cooking. It's easy, it saves you money, and it's healthier for you and your family. Like, subscribe, and share so you don't miss any of these recipes that taste great.